Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through the digitalcitizenship.net website, an incredible resource for understanding and teaching digital citizenship. This site focuses on the 9 essential elements of digital citizenship, providing valuable insights for educators and students alike. Let's get started. When you first arrive at the digitalcitizenship.net homepage, you'll see a straightforward layout with options to explore the site. When you scroll down, you can see lots of things like books that are offered, podcasts, websites to explore, as well as a suggestion for a book about school leaders fostering positive interactions online. Now I'm going to take you back to the top, and you'll see the tabs. We're going to go to the 9 Elements tab. When you're here, this is about the 9 elements of digital citizenship. Each element includes a brief description and examples to help you understand how it applies to real-world digital interactions. The 9 elements are digital access, digital commerce, digital communication and collaboration, digital etiquette, digital fluency, digital health and welfare, digital law, digital rights and responsibility, and digital security and privacy. There is also a section on the S3 framework, being safe, savvy, and social. If you're interested in that, I would read each description and what they mean. Now, if we scroll back up to the top, again looking at the tabs, let's move to the resource section. Here you'll find tools and guides for educators to use in the classroom. One highlight is the free digital citizenship curriculum, which is tailored for different grade levels. Also, you can click here to access lesson plans and activities. These resources are easy to navigate and implement, making integrating digital citizenship concepts into your teaching simple. So many resources are offered here. And articles to learn even more about digital citizenship. Now, I recommend going back to the home page if you're unfamiliar with digital citizenship or want to learn more. As well as the resources section. But to wrap up, digitalcitizenship.net is a user-friendly resource that breaks down digital citizenship into manageable concepts. By exploring the 9 elements under this tab, accessing free classroom resources under this tab, and learning more about the site's mission, educators can help navigate the digital world responsibly.